So 35 million users. Adam, does that strike you as a lot? I mean, I guess I had it I stopped and I'm like, let me intellectualize that if I can, or think about it, I guess, is a simpler way of saying that. It's like, yeah, pretty much everybody uses Homebrew. And so I don't know why it surprised me, but I was like, dang, that's a lot of people.
Yeah, I guess I'm surprised by the number, but not surprised by the number. Like
Yeah,
it
there you
makes
go.
like it makes sense. Like hearing it, that makes sense because like what else would you use if you're on a Mac and you're a developer and you want to be as close to production, which is Unix/Linux in almost every case, then you're going to be on a Mac in most cases being a developer. Now there's also a lot of Windows developers too. They're running Linux subsystems.
Yeah, I guess it's not all Macs now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean that number is like inferred because we don't have analytics numbers for everyone. So essentially what we have is we have the analytics numbers, and then we can compare those to for a given package, say the GitHub, again, with what I was saying earlier about like people on the server side can track you have what they want. So when you download a binary package from GitHub Packages, that is logged. So essentially we can compare the difference between those two numbers for a given package and see roughly how many people have opted out of analytics usage. And yeah, it basically looks like about 90% have opted out. And again, the other thing that's worth noting is this, some of these users are GitHub Actions, like Cloud Runners and stuff like that, But we don't discriminate. We believe our bot users are just as important as our humans.
Just as important as our humans.
Where would I find out if I've opted out? Where would I determine that?
If you type brew analytics in the command line, it will tell you whether the analytics are enabled or disabled.
So I've got InfluxDB analytics are enabled. Google Analytics were destroyed.
Yes, that's because we had an intermediate time when you could opt out of one and not the other or whatever. And yeah, that Google Analytics were destroyed. That message could kind of go away, but it's also fun. Because we literally dropped all of our like historical archives, backups, everything for the Google Analytics stuff. It's all
should
completely
add some
gone.
like ASCII animation of it exploding or something.
Yep.
Oh gosh, I don't want to say anything, but okay, you made me have to say it.